ole clear tu te kalau lom le vek chawa tu tuma chuanin hei chan chin ngai bok karon om le tlat maya Lirnghing thleng le tlat maya Myanmar kan thenom ram luka thleng to hnai fia khop pe man ni luka sama khanin soi chiam khani atuna hi Mandalay kan ria Myanmar chuanin an khopui lian ber pahni na ania Mandalay kha soi le dur mai re 4.5 magnitude na khanin tun Lirnghing hi na che ania soi na sa dur khop Myanmar chu in chim rup ang chi te chiat na lian tham bon ra lu tukang kha om lem lo maro chu mi pui tan chuanin 4.5 ani mo ai hiam pon ro se Lirnghing ani to hi chuanin thabar ngal zer mai ne hang pon ri se video kan en chawanga tunai chu Lirnghing chol lo khop mai
A strong earthquake measuring about 4.5 to 5.00 in magnitude struck near Mandalay in central Myanmar today. The tremor occurred at a shallow depth, with the epicenter located close to the city, allowing the shaking to be felt by many residents in Mandalay and nearby townships.
An khopui Mandalay abul nailok aron ir chuk kha ne kilometer som le nuai 2 kilometer som vela changaron chuk le bok kha ne ya azelo khop maya police kumsani somni program chong kai te ya kum thar tuk ni khan Mexico khan hi dur kha ne ti khan tuk chawat kha khanin assam ti te mo heta Japan ti te Philippines sa te ti khanin hei tuna Myanmar ani ya kal chau mup ani chol reng ala nei lawa Mizoram mi puite thabar lutuk her lawila ti kha kan soilok bokane anna dur khop mai thena
cảnh tha lại đi rồi cảnh tha lại đi
He approached the priest's mother-in-law. She looked down on him, ordering the hotel manager to have the man removed.
People reported brief but noticeable ground movement, though the quake was relatively short in duration. The walls shifted, the building shook, and objects moved from their places despite the moderate intensity of the earthquake, and the residents panicked. Because of its moderate strength, the earthquake did not cause major damage. However, minor cracks in walls and slight disturbances inside homes and offices were reported in some.
In soitong khanin han chelian tham overang chi chu omlo pathian zara amaro chu han khideu ang chi te mo han ke a khatinga thil tam tak office ren khat phei chu an chua san phang te po kha om thro ani poni se Lirnghing hi ala thlen chau zel mel sia mo tu nami Mandalay thleng hi ngi ngai lawani amaro chu ari lo viewe ari view lo na chu mo heti khopianin thil anu chiam mana atingal dur tlat thina chu wang sonin Lirnghing chu achau om lo veu khop maya hei tun lai phe chu mizo mo kan thian then khat te tiang Lirnghing ka tam ka lau thong ani mun danga om mai ka du ni ti hi tam tak hi no ma he zo ko pui chung chang ani lawa district sang thanga cậu ngắm lẩu tía thỉnh trang mò mun anh em mò giống ta tới po hiện ông rúa trần thổ này
sau rồi bà nhà kêu là bà cha thì nên là tiền này nên là tiền này thôi đâu
Local residents described momentary panic, with some people moving outdoors as a precaution. No serious injuries or casualties have been reported so far. Mandalay lies close to the Sagaing Fault, one of the most active seismic zones in Myanmar.
Mandalay bi ka hi Myanmar chuanin seismic zone an ti a hlawm lai zone biela khan na luo ani tunaron soi rang khaning poni se rin ai takin a chen la wa lo mom ti to ma yang
Earthquakes of small to moderate magnitude occur frequently in this region due to ongoing tectonic movement. Events like today's quake serve as reminders of the area's vulnerability to seismic activity. Authorities continue to monitor the situation and advise the public to remain alert for possible aftershocks. While a magnitude 4.5 earthquake is generally not destructive, preparedness and awareness remain important for communities living in earthquake-prone regions such as Mandalay.
Hemi 4.5 hit chu tiang Mandalay ang chi mo seismic zone tan chuanin a hlawm lawa mo in ral rin nan enge en chin dan te pawh ni kha tiang ang level lek kha tun chu ma ngi hi chuan ni amaro chu hey building khi le kha tiang ang chi enge mo han ke ri choi ang chi te kha chu atam viau ani tu da ro choi chin a po khan chawm lo veu khom mai maro chu thi le liam dam do ina zone lu Don't
forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest news about natural disasters. Earthquakes of small to moderate magnitude occur frequently in this region due to ongoing tectonic movement. Events like today's quake serve as reminders of the area's vulnerability to seismic activity. Authorities continue to monitor the situation and advise the public to remain alert for possible aftershocks.
Ang poni se after shock avanga in routing to bra hanin shil na ang site khating te po kha halvek zela Lirnghing re chuanin he tu chu apoina ni thawa hamaro chu Lirnghing bi ka hi hemi leichung lang engmot che hi ni lawa heta nuai tectonic plate kanti che awanga haron ti deuh tur du hi ni tlang pui ni mania japana Lirnghing te po kha mo tectonic plate pali tol vel che vel awanga ron che kha ni ya japan phe chu khovela Lirnghing du na ber mo atam na ber pola ni eng poni se bon chawviau mela tuna khovel din munti anenin Mizoram hianin abikin tuna an suidana zone 6 zone kan to an lati zui ani ya tiga nge athlenang o ti hidu lo view mai la soi lo thei lo ngai to lo thei lo hian ni tlat ani eng poni se ngein mu dan mo en ri ro tho dan khalo soi về lại sim sim tự châu ôm lâu cắt tí khóp mấy cái chú nghe nhỉ in lâu châu sẽ cái kem in lâu xoay về lại đâu này à